Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about Hotfix or hot salt form of KakaoTalk Kiwi Good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you scrolling down until you find this application of KakaoTalk. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We'll search about KakaoTalk app as you see here, Messenger, and then we'll update your app if you find update. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.